Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, all my subscribers out there. And if you're one of my subscribers, oh my god, thank you so much. My numbers are slowly growing. I totally appreciate it. And if you're here for the first time, well, welcome. I welcome you. Thank you so much for stopping by. I want to give you guys this look today. It's just got some mermaid greens and blues that I wanted to show you. So if you want to see how I got here, well, keep on watching. So let's start off with moisturizer. I definitely want to put a little bit of water on my face because I don't know, I just need a little bit of hydration beforehand. If you have this, just do it, use it. Going in with my Henriksen Truth Serum. This is one of my faves. I love it. And next, I'm going to go in with my Henriksen Nurture Me. This is one of my faves, you guys already know. And last, it's not a glamorous product, but it is a good one. Please don't ever sleep on it. Chapstick. I'm going to put this on my lips. By the end, my lips, they're going to be so good. So good! So I ordered the P.Louise. I wanted to try their base. And I think this will really work well with the other products I'm using for today. I have 2 and 3. This one is 2. This one's 3. This one's just slightly darker. If I ever use it on anybody else, I just got 2 just in case. The other products that I got today, I had been looking at them for a little while. I did see them and they were looking mighty gorgeous to me, but I don't know, I just didn't get them right away. But I got a couple of the Dose of Color block party colors and I'm very interested to see what these look like. So the first one, I only got 3. I didn't want to get like a bunch of them. I felt like I could have got lost in that abyss. But first one I'll open up is called I Love You. How cute, I Love You. This is more of like a earthy green. So I thought that one was really pretty. Can't wait to try that one out. The next one I got is a green as well, but it's a little different. This one is called Leave Me Alone. Hint, hint, leaf. And Leave Me Alone, this one is a green as well, but this one is a little bit more rich. So I thought that one was beautiful. I love green, so I got those 2. Then the last one that I got is Teal Me More. I don't know, I just really love blues and greens. So, teal. Okay. The whole thing fell out. Taking that back to the store. Just so you guys can actually physically see what just happened. Okay, I was going to use the blue today, but I guess not. Alright, blue another time. Today, green. Okay, that legit just really sucked right now because I was going to use the blue. It's all over. I have to put the cushion here because it's like the chair, it's so hard to sit in for like a long time. It's all over the cushion. Ugh. You know, and it's not really going to the store. I don't mind going to the store. You know what it is? I wanted it to be a full block party. That's what I think it is. Because I have the signature blue in the KKW Mario palette, so I could still do the look that I'm thinking. It just sucks. I wanted it to all be black party. Okay, it's cool. Let me get out of my head. Let me just give y'all a fierce look. Moving on. Gonna do my eyebrows really quick. Okay, of the 2 P.Louise bases, I am going to use the darker one. So I'm going to use number 3. So I am going to use a bit of a tapping motion. Feels really good, I will say that. It goes on fairly nicely and smooth. I like that. So as far as application, that P.Louise went on very nicely. I like it. It's a bit creamy, so I'm going to go ahead and set this down. From the Morphe Dare to Create palette, I did want to warm up my crease a little bit here. So I'm going to dip into this one here. I think that's a beautiful color, and as well as this one. And I'm just going to kind of go back and forth between the two. I just want to start by warming up in the center of my crease. And I'm not worried too much about bringing it out yet, because I think as I'm blending, I'll decide then like the shape that I want to do. Sure. I'm not going to blend that yet. Depending on if you tap or if you are blending, it will be, you know, stronger or lighter. And I do think I want this color underneath here to be a little strong, so I'm gonna just tap that in. Oh, and I didn't say, by the way, this is my Sigma E25. I also have in my hand my Sigma E40 because I like to go back and blend it out just a little bit. For blending it out, I do want it to be a little bit light, so I think I'm gonna use this color over here. I don't want to disrupt what I have going too much, so I'm going to pick a color closer to my skin color. And I'm just going to softly blend that out. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Morphe M421. I think I do want to cut my crease just a little bit, then go in with those beautiful blues and greens. This will be a good test for the P.Louise. I'm taking a smaller, like I said, my smaller Morphe. And I'm going to use a tapping motion. Next, I'm going to take my MAC 213. I'm going to go in with that Block Party Leave Me Alone. I'm going to go on the outside here. It's so pretty. And am I going to tap it on the inside? Yeah, I think I'll tap it on the inside as well. Alright, so as you guys know, my blue fell out. It broke out of the pan. That totally sucks. So I'm going to substitute with the KKW and Mario palette. As you all know, there's like a beautiful blue in there. I cleaned off my MAC 213, and now I'm just going to put this blue, what does Kim call hers again? Libra. Alright, so I'm going to take the KKW Libra and put it in the middle. Again, I'm just using a tapping motion, because I want to get the most of it on there that I can. I'm going to go back in and blend. Now with my Morphe M508, because that one's super skinny, that one is good for like detailing, I want to go in with the other Block Party color. This one is Olive You. Now in between, I guess the blue, kind of like in an arc motion, I just want to take this and go in that arc moon shape. And then I'm even going down where the blue is and just blending that out a little bit. Then I'm going to take a clean brush and just really do that outer. I'm not touching here. I'm not touching there. I'm touching all in here, right where it last blends out. That's it. Hold on, have to get these eyebrows back in formation. My eyebrows don't listen to nobody. Alright, I'm going to put some liner in my waterline. Now I'm going to go in on the face with my MAC Studio Fix. This is in the color NC46. Next, I'm going to conceal under the eyes with my Kylie Cosmetics concealer. This is in the color Peanut. Next, I'm going to take my MAC 212 and I'm going to go into that blue from that KKW. And I'm going to go right underneath the eyes, being very careful because of the fallout. Now with my Morphe M508, I did want to go back in with that beautiful forest green, the Leave Me Alone. And I just want to do a little bit of detailing. I want to really get close to my eye right in here. So I'm just going to tap, because I really want to make sure that that edge is really dark and green all the way out to the end. Once you really clean it up and get it nice, sometimes it's like you can kind of see where you want that edge to be a little more sharp, or you want to blend something out, you know? See, that to me just already made a difference. I'm going to take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Bronzer, get the cheeks a little bit of love. Taking the same thing and just snatching the nose a little bit, getting that nose contour. Ooh, yes, so good. Since I used KKW Beauty on the eyes, we'll go ahead and use this for my highlight as well. So I'm going to do a little highlight with the contour and highlight kit. It is one of my favorites. Okay, cool. I am going to put lashes on off camera. You know it. I do's it off camera. I just do it off camera because it's just kind of one of those things. It's like, I don't know, I just want to do it, get it over with, get back to the beauty. Alrighty, lashes all done, and I wanted to use a lighter lash today. Sometimes when you put on a heavy lash, you can't really see the shadow, so I didn't want to do too much drama lash-wise. So these are the Ava lashes by Lash Makeup. Shout out to Lash Makeup. These were the ones that I kind of really started off with. Y'all made me fall in love earlier on. For the lips, I'm going to be using Try Again from the Aaliyah MAC collection. This is a beautiful, beautiful nude brown, and I have not used this one yet. I'm going to go in with the classic Chestnut lip liner from MAC, and let's see what this looks like. Before I go in with the liner, actually, I do want to see what this looks like without anything on, because it really is a beautiful, look at that. That's like, oh, it's like they made my skin color. Let's see. This is so, my God. This is my perfect nude. Aaliyah MAC. Y'all, I don't even know if I should put lip liner on. What do y'all think? I really could get away with it, right? I'm gonna do a little bit. But this is that's fire. That's cool too. I like it with a little bit of the chestnut too. Yo, that's like, ooh, that is my perfect nude. First time trying the Try Again. Try again, you tried it. Try it again, you tried it. This is the bomb. Alrighty, so we're at the end of this video. Thank you for watching. You guys, my subscribers are growing. Thank you so much. And honestly, the amount of people that are watching is really, really like, I'm like, all right, y'all coming on through. Come on and check out your girl Zshakira, you know? The Aaliyah video did really, really well. The Aaliyah video has a lot of hits, as well as the Kylie Cosmetics Bronze Extended. Those two videos are like consistently growing, and people are really watching those. So I'm excited. Thank you so much. Everyone who has subscribed, literally, thank you. I appreciate it because I really want to grow my community as well. Tell a friend, you know, share it, tell anybody. And if you're watching and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification button. You'll be the first to know as soon as I post. And thank you so much. There's so many of you guys that reached out on the Aaliyah video. All of you guys, such sweethearts. Every single one of you shared really good words. That video was so special. It was so special. So I really appreciate all the love. It's Friday. As you guys know, I always encourage you to have fun with whatever you're doing and in anything that you do. I don't care what it is, no matter what you do, you guys. It's very, very important that you always find your frequency and feel good. Feel good. Bye. Okay, I'm just doing a quick video vlog. I am getting my car washed, so next I need to go ahead and pull on it. So I went to the store and I got the Tell Me More that fell apart. I'm just so whatever, but I got Tell Me More, and I also got Sizzle. It was a very beautiful color, and I'm kind of using my review mirror to help me film. Okay, so there's Sizzle. It's really, really beautiful. If you guys want to see, here, you guys want to see the Tell Me More? Let me open that one. All right, here is Tell Me More in the daylight. It's so beautiful. Okay, so the lady said that they were having issues with this line. I mean, I hate to kind of show, you know, maybe a hiccup with someone's line, but she did say that they were having issues. So that kind of sucks. Oh, it's my turn to go out. Oh, hold on. Oh, okay. All right, it's my turn to go out. Let me move out of people's way. So, I'm looking at these guys up there, like looking at me. They're like, what is she doing? Yeah, I'm in my car, video vlogging, makeup, outside the car wash. Okay, but this is the Tell Me More in the daylight. It's really beautiful. So, I did get those, and guys, I wasn't joking. Like, I got 2 more of the Try Again. Yeah. So yeah, guys, if you do go get this line, just double check it. It is beautiful. It does work, but just double check it doesn't fall out of the pan. All right? Cool. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your Friday.